Hello class, we are going to see the fading example. This is to use analog output PWM to fade an LED. It is in Arduino, this diagram is in Arduino tutorial PWM. It means pulse width modulation and is a technique for getting analog results with digital means. Digital control is used to create a square wave, a signal switched between on and off. This on-off pattern can simulate voltages in between full on, 5 volts, and off, 0 volts, 5, 0. By changing the portion of the time the signal spends on versus the time that the signal spends off. The duration of on time is called the pulse width. This is the pulse width. To get varying analog values, you change or modulate that pulse width. If you repeat this on-off pattern fast enough with an LED, for example, the result is as if the signal is a steady voltage between 0 and 5 volts, controlling the brightness of an LED. In this graphic, the green lines represent a regular time period. This duration or period is the inverse of the PWM frequency. In other words, with Arduino's PWM frequency at about 500 Hz, the green lines will measure 2 milliseconds from this to this, 2 milliseconds each. A call to analog write in Arduino is on a scale of 0 to 255, such that analog write requests a 100% duty cycle, always on, and analog write 127 is a 50% duty cycle on half the time, for example. So we are going to do our Arduino program. Forever, as you can see, set this variable, that is brillo, brightness, to 0. Repeat until brightness is greater than 255. Set the PWM pin 11. The PWM pin, you know that they are in Arduino the 11, 10, 9, 6, 5, and 3. As output as brillo, change brillo by 1, wait for 0.02 seconds, and repeat again another loop, brightness less than 0, set PWM pin 11 output as brillo, change brillo by -1, wait for 0.02 seconds, and that's all.